Okay, so we're back again with another IELTS speaking tip. The tip I have for you today is to use natural spoken English. Now, when you're in the IELTS speaking test, the language that you use for the speaking is going to be different to the language you use for your writing. It's less formal. We combine words. So instead of saying I am, we're going to combine this and we're going to say I'm. Just simple things like this. Instead of saying I have, we often say I've. Yeah? We wouldn't say I have been here. We'd say I've been. So it's this natural spoken English that we use that's different to kind of more formal sentence structure that we use for writing. And this can make your English, your spoken English, much better, and it can improve communication with native speakers of English. And it's important that you can show that you're able to do this, the way in which native speakers would speak English. Also, it's when we think about vocabulary. The vocabulary that we use naturally when we're speaking. Okay, you don't want to use slang in the IELTS speaking test, but you can use things like phrasal verbs and idiomatic language, which naturally native speakers will use in conversation. You need to show, if you want to get the high band scores in the IELTS test, then you need to show you're able to use this type of language. Now, you can work on this by listening to native speakers, watching movies, listening to example answers of the IELTS speaking test on YouTube, you can watch the high band scores, which will use more naturally spoken English. So there we go. That's pretty much it. That's the tip that I'm giving you today. Use natural spoken English.